and welcome back and happy new year. I hope that you guys had an amazing new year and a really great Christmas. Today I am finally back with a brand new video, and this one is going to be a lot different than the ones I usually do. So as you can tell from the title, and if you can't tell from the title, then you can tell from the excitement on my face, I got a new camera. So I got the package yesterday and I opened the box immediately just out of excitement, and then I stopped myself and I was like, wait, I need to film this. So this is as far as I got. Like I said, if you couldn't tell from the title, then yes, I got a new camera specifically for vlogging, so that I can do a lot more things like outfit of the days, or if I wanted to vlog a couple of days out of the week, or if I have like something really exciting like a trip, then I now have this camera to share those moments with you guys. So I've been wanting this camera since I first started YouTube. I have it now and I'm just so excited. So I will link down below exactly where I purchased the camera from. It was from Amazon, and I got it off of a camera company who sells on Amazon. And I also did purchase insurance for the camera. I was able to get this camera because all I literally asked for Christmas was for Amazon gift cards. So thank you, family, because you helped me buy this camera. And then literally all I had to pay out of pocket was about $170, which includes the insurance. We are just going to open it up now. The reason I did also want to get it from Amazon is because I like that Amazon gives you bundles occasionally when it comes to purchasing cameras on there. So you're not just buying the camera. Sometimes you can buy extra equipment with it, or sometimes they add a camera case. So it's just really nice that they are able to provide you with a little bit more stuff for the amount of money that you're paying for this camera. So this is everything that came with this bundle. I'm going to quickly run you through it, and then we're going to go ahead and turn on this camera. I got cleaning supplies. This little weird thing, it looks like those things that you like suck the boogers out of like a newborn baby's nose with. I'm gonna try it on my dog. Oh my god, my dog does not like this. And then it came with like this cleaning pen. It has like a brush on one side and then like a suede circle on the other side, so that you can kind of clean your camera lens if it gets dirty. Camera starter kit. Oh, okay. So inside you get this mini tripod. I don't know if that's gonna hold my camera. And then some cleaning supplies. And now I also have another HDMI cord. I actually already own one of these. But these are really handy if you ever wanna plug your camera into your TV so that you can watch whatever you filmed in a bigger size. This I thought was very useful. It came with a memory card holder. And then it looks like it came with a USB drive that you can put your memory card in and then plug it into your computer. I don't think I really would need this, but it's nice that it's in there. It also came with a bigger tripod, which when I saw online, I knew immediately that I was gonna have to order another one. So I have actually already ordered another tripod for my hand. And that should be coming in the mail later on today. Little tripod. It's a little flimsy. I feel like I need something stronger, so can't wait to get my other one, but it's nice to have this one just in case. Then it also came with a camera case, which is so important because, I mean, this is a very expensive camera. And lastly, what absolutely sold me when I purchased this camera was that it came with an extra battery and then its own memory card. And that to me was just a plus, because these are super expensive replacements, or if you just talk a lot like I do and you need an extra battery, and then its own memory card. So now I don't always have to switch off my main channel memory cards for my vlogging memory card. And last but not least, it came with the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II camera. And we are gonna open it up for the first time ever today. I could have gotten the Mark I, which is a lot more cheaper than the Mark II, but if I'm gonna spend so much money already on a camera, I want the latest one. The first Canon PowerShot G7X camera that ever came out in like, I wanna say 2014, and then this one came out like 2 years later, back in 2016, so it's a fairly new camera still, and it is their most recent model. Depending on where you can get it anywhere between $550 to $650. It really just depends on where you purchase it, if you're getting it new, if you're getting it with other things like I did. Mine's cost, I think, about $649-ish. and that does not include insurance. Insurance was about another 60 bucks. So did spend quite a penny on this guy, but I've done my research on this camera and I know it is going to be a great camera to have. So when you open it up, first thing you get is obviously the getting started packet. Then inside I have power cord for my charger. The charger itself, oh my god, look how small it is compared to my DSLR camera. Strap for my camera, and the smallest battery I've ever seen in my life. You guys see how tiny that is? That is so small. Hopefully that's a little charged right now so that we can film some little clips on this camera today. And then last but not least, the camera. Look at it, it is so beautiful. Camera flips up so that you can film like this. This is exactly how I will be filming, a lot more. But you do have the option to tilt it down like that if needed. Card and battery go in here, and I like that you have to actually click it in order for you to put out, because this can easily open up on its own on like a regular DSLR camera. So it's nice that for this one, in order for you to open or close it, you gotta click it on and then it's gonna stay closed. It is Wi-Fi enabled, which is really cool because the moment I actually ordered this camera, I took the time to download the app, which is just the Canon Camera Connect. And all I have to do is connect my Canon camera to the actual app, and then I can actually see footage that I've already taken on my camera on my phone, take those photos straight to Instagram if I wanted to, or even edit videos on my phone, which I think is just like the coolest thing ever. Okay, it looks like the speaker is up here. So eventually I do want to get those little micro muffs and put it on there so that if I'm filming outside, you won't hear any wind. I do have a huge micro muff on my actual camera right now and I love it. So I definitely know I'm gonna want one for this camera. And then the tripod screw-in actually is at the bottom. So that's always nice because then I can just put any tripod underneath. If you guys want to know any more specific information about the actual camera, I will leave links down below to the information I actually look for when researching this one. And if you are conflicted between getting a camera like the G7X Mark II or another Canon camera, which are also known for vlogging, Canon actually does an awesome job at giving you comparisons of the pros and cons for each camera. So I will leave those guys all linked down below as well. But to make this video short, we are gonna jump right into it and we are gonna start playing around with this camera. Got my memory card. I'm gonna plug that guy in. And it does click. And then got my little mini battery. Closed and locked. Since my Manfrotto tripod is not here yet, I am gonna use the one that I have here. Oh yeah, this doesn't even screw in all the way for it to be tight. It's still a little loose. So I'm happy that I did order a new tripod. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to record myself on this side so that you guys can see. I'm just setting up the time and date right now. It is January 5th and we are in Chicago. Okay, ooh, that's really cool. So when you tap on it, to focus on your face, it makes the cutest little noise. Okay, it's a little wobbly right now, but it's because this tripod isn't the greatest. So I am gonna hold it like this. Record button is back here, and we are gonna turn it on in 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, hello. This is so cool. The lighting is beautiful. Oh, hi, Whiskey. How are you, baby man? Hello, you're getting some sun. He's so cute. Okay, so I'm moving with the actual camera and it's really, really nice. I am obsessed with it. Look how bright it looks right now. It's so great. I'm sure the sound is very different from this camera to this camera. This one actually has a microphone on. I don't have one on this one, so it's gonna sound very different. So don't let that fool you. I already know it's gonna do that. Just because I have a really good quality microphone on this camera. But this one does not have a microphone, so this is exactly how this sounds. I love all the space back here that I have. It just feels very like wide. And actually, I'm focusing this camera right in front of this one, and it just feels like a lot more space back here is being shown. than this actual camera. So that's why, just different lens. So it's nice because the lens just goes with you. It's not like shaky or anything. We're gonna try focusing on some things. Right now it is completely focused on my face. I'm gonna tap on my shelf behind me and boom, immediately focuses on that. And we're gonna tap on my face, boom, focuses on my face. So focus is actually quite quick. You do have to tap on whatever you wanna focus on though. I'm also gonna try something else. I'm gonna close this and we're gonna focus on this Smashbox palette really quick. Let's open it up. I just wanna see like the quality. Ooh, that is beautiful. Yeah, the quality of the camera is amazing. Let's focus on my phone. Focuses really nicely. Oh, I love it. Focus on my mug. I love it. It's so nice. Now my nails. Focuses on my nails. Yeah, that's just like to show you guys like the quality of the actual camera. It's really, really nice. I like the way it looks in the screen. It just looks very like nice and crisp and clear. This is gonna be a very fun camera to play around with. Okay, I like this camera a lot. I love the quality of the image. It focuses on my face really nicely, which is so important to me. And it looks very nice and bright and vibrant. So, excellent choice on camera. So that is my test on this camera, and we're gonna turn it off in 3, 2, 1. Bye. Yay. Okay guys, hope you liked my little test there. Just turned it off. Oh, by the way, when you turn it on, it like instantly opens up and then it instantly turns off. So the on and off time of turning on the camera is so quick, which is really, really nice. In all, I absolutely love the camera. I'm so excited to continue playing around with it. It's just gonna be so new and exciting, and it's the perfect timing to get it because it's a new year, so new content is gonna be made on my channel. If you guys have any ideas of things that you wanna see more of on my channel, please let me know in the comments below. Yeah, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it here. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you guys have any other questions, let me know down below and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Follow me everywhere else as well so that you guys know what I'm up to. Turn on those notifications because it's gonna be a fun and exciting year. And I will see you guys again very, very soon.